In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with GoBank. Whether you're new to online banking or just looking to simplify your financial management, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to GoBank's website or use their app. Simply type in www.gobank.com in your browser or grab your smartphone and download the GoBank app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have the app open or you're on their website, look for the Register or Create Account button. It's usually right there on the homepage, so you can't miss it. Next, it's time to enter your card details. This includes your 16-digit card number, expiration date, and the CVV number, which is the 3 digits on the back of your card. Now, don't worry if you don't have a card yet. You can easily order one online from their site. Once your card details are set, you'll need to create a login. For this, you'll enter your email and phone number. You'll also come up with a username and a password, ensuring both are unique and secure. After you've entered this information, you'll likely need to verify it. GoBank will send you an email or text with a verification code, so make sure to check whichever method you choose for that code and follow the instructions to verify your account. Moving onward, you'll have to verify your identity. This step is crucial for security purposes. You may be asked to upload a photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport. During this process, you'll also need to review and agree to GoBank's terms and conditions. Make sure you read through these before consenting to understand the rules and guidelines you're agreeing to. Finally, you should turn on security features to keep your account safe. Set up text and email alerts to stay informed about any transactions. It's always better to be overly cautious when it comes to your finances. GoBank also offers two-step verification, which I highly recommend enabling for an added layer of security. With this feature turned on, even if someone gets access to your password, they'll still need the second form of identification to access your account. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your online banking with GoBank. This system not only makes managing your finances more convenient, but also provides you with security and peace of mind. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial management tips and tutorials. See you next time.